Dili ko guys kung asa magikan ganina. Okay na pero kalimutan kong palit. Pero okay lang. Okay ako natagnan.
Hi guys, we're here in Robinson City or Moco Place. Ang isa kaya nasa Mercado. Yes. Go.
Palit milk chili. Huwag nagpalit milk stick para sa marshmallow.
Hi guys. 4 ni 4.
Dili, oy, kuan man na. Bag.
Okay. Hi guys.
Oy, ito ka sa man ka.
Yeah.
Dili, oy.
Ah, sorry.
What?
Let's go guys.
Bagay kayo mo daw. Bagay mo daw record eh.
Hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Where are you going, miss?
What are you talking about?
Where are you going, miss?
I don't know you.
Hello. Garaon. We are going to Camotes with the Kansati Domino Corral, guys. We're here in the port now, guys. Oh my goodness. Sir? Oh, sir, with Sir Henry De Loyola. With my friends here in the back. Walk, guys.
Guys, we're at Puro.
Puro ba? Puro. So we are the Kansati Domino Corral. We are here padung sa probinsya. Hi guys, so we are here na talaga. Yeah. The kitchen area. So, unsa mag-usa ta karon ate?
So, we're
Unsa?
gonna open the grocery.
Yes.
That one.
Yes, and this one too.
Yes.
Yes.
And it's a mystery.
Yes, mystery. Yes.
So this is our kitchen.
Wow.
It's very nice and
Yes.
clean.
Yes.
So deep.
And there are the refrigerators. Yes. Yes.
Mag-open pa, dali. Kanina ba?
Cooking. What are you cooking?
Fried chicken.
What are you cooking? What are you cooking? So guys, we are now cooking a chicken for our dinner today for our party sa Kansati Domino Corral. Yeah. Yes, true. Guys. Can you explain what are you doing right now? Huh?
Ama. Pagluwag ka tagpuan dyan sa saging. Ato sima-sima ba?
Yes.
Pabudol mo gano'n.
Oh, so we are boodling? Oh no! No?
Hello, Ming.
Wala, gigina. What are you doing? You're doing. We are going to Subad. And this one is, and this one is. Meron. Nangako na meron kay namin mga budol fight guys. So karon guys, amo lang ilatag tanan ng ato. Ay patay na laptop. One, two, three, go. I love my manita. Yes, I do. I love my manita. Yes, I do.
Ang wishlist, kay wala mo kinamdam sa codename mo. Ang wishlist ka to kay, kisa din ay Axe perfume. Perfume niya, socks. And, ako medyo. Ano?
Manita, but I won't tell you. Ikaw sa describe.
Isa na yan, Darcy.
Alam ko, wala yung chatan.
I love my manito, yes I do. I'll tell you.
Dara ang kuan.
Codename.
12 days of Christmas.
Sino yan?
Klaro kayo!
I love my manita but I won't tell you.
Ay, susunod-sunod eh.
One.
Sir.
I won't tell you.
Mga nasal mo ko na.
Aww.
Isa codename.
Yes, I do. I love my manita. I love my manita but I won't tell you. Tito, susuka ni. Tito, susuka sa lubid.
Aljan?
I love my manita but I won't tell you.
Isa name.
Beach?
Computer?
Computer. I love my manita.
Ang wishlist. Pinshop nga ka.
Aw, wrong. Balik na lang to.
Oh no.
Okay po. Wala pa.
Ako!
Kisa pa? 1, 2, 3. Upa ka?
Wala pa.
Sino wala pa?
Nana ko.
Nana, ikaw man na.
Wala pa siya ni Joy Joy.
Wala pa siya.
Feel ko ka ako na. Kasi si Reza.
Ang ina sa mga katiya pa
Oh, magina sa siya.
Wala kay JJ de.
Yes, I won't tell you.
Paano siya? Usahan pagbasa iyang pang ano eh. Si balik-ibali niyang pansit canton.
Tip knock knock knock. Manita, less I do. I love my manita but I won't tell you.
Ako ingon ang pwede mo.
Oh, yes.
Oh.
Sure. Wall man to wall.
Paper wall? Charon.
Basta na yung wall. Wall, si Risa na. May nag-change-change pa.
I love my money.
Yes, I do.
No, oh my gosh.
Ako ingon ang codename asay. Ang codename kay Mang Inasal, wait sa. Ang wishlist kay pahumot. Ang sunod kay kanang t-shirt. Sunod kay usa ko tong usa?
Kaon sa mga inasal.
Oh, Mang Inasal.
Mga inasal.
Alam mo malita baron.
Ako expect kasi ita sapatos anime jadi
Wala.
Bisa dong kan.
May kena sila.
Something cute.
Siya.
Lagi oh.
Ay.
Yata niyo.
Ayo. Hello, Stan. Ay.
Batasan.
Ayun pa yun. Wala, perfect match. Ayun. Okay lang. Thank you very much. Okay, ikaw yan. For you. Yeah, sorry, ikaw na din ako mabuhat sa'yo. Ikaw, ayan. Sorry, ang muro dyan na. Ay, sorry. Oy, ito na. Alam mo, like na siya. Wow. Yes. Guys, so muna ang ato. Natay lights, guys. Mo-reflect na siya sa swimming pool, guys. Muna siya, guys.
Money so far, guys.
We are done playing games. So we are here chilling and in the front of the pool. Yes.
We're rich.
Yeah, why? Can I interview you?
Yes, yes.
Yes, why are you rich?
Because I'm an engineer
What?
and I'll build
What?
a snowman.
Wow. Who is this your?
My agenda.
We are doing a breakfast now with cooking in the bukid fields. Yes. So nagmata na ang mga choir. Yeah, gusto ko nag-research guys, nag-research. We are breakfasting now.
Kamote.
We are done eating. We are done eating, guys.
Yeah, breakfast in kamote.
Yes. We are going to. What? Where? Yes. True. Yeah. We are here in the
City of
beautiful people. I joke lang. We are here in Buho Beach where the Katniel da kuno kay ni ambak kuno dire si Catherine nagbiro si kon daw okay ba? Guys, so we are here now in the Buho Beach Resort. The view is breathtaking. Yeah. Hindi ko kaya ang view, guys. Parang ako si Katniel.
Amo ni Katniel?
Oh, the view. 60 steps daw. 61. Okay, how's the experience? How the experience? How the experience?
Yan akong balik dire.
So we're going to the second tourist spot in the world. In the Kamut. What?
We're in Buho Rock.
Buho?
Guys, humana may diri sabok.
Domino. For the...
Wow, para naman tong exercise.
Ito guys.
Ito guys.
Pero guys, oh, napaka-kapoy talaga.
Imbes ka nag-tour? Oh my God.
Imbis nag-tour!
Ay, mag-exercise eh.
Kurityo.
Kanta rin ka na yun.
Weirdo. Hello, wishing well. Wala ka, keep going. No taste to our food. Okay, guess. Cigarette, throwing trash, or net.
No alcohol. No cigarette.
Matang lang, eh.
Matang tigi.
Sige, 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 sige.
Ayon sa mga eksperto, ang ating tubig ay may lahing-lahing. May sagol, halong
Sus, taro nga.
pait, matabang at salt water.
Sige. Yes, paraiso. Marunong nag...
Katong katong bukirat.
Sa bulikat daw ta. Sa basa, sa padong mi sa lahi. Sa Lake Dano na sad mi guys. Kay mga ano? Mga ano din mi for the first. Lake Dano guys, so we are going to Lake Dano.
Sus, 1,200 liters.
Let's go!
So today guys, we're eating kab-kab.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, rate.
I rate this
1 million.
out of 10.
Wow. You.
I really miss kab-kab. So,
Look.
rate kay 10 out of 10 as in.
Ikaw sad at.
With the eating?
Yeah. Excuse me. Crispy. Yes, thumbs up for Canton Domino. So we are here too. Lake Dano Park. So this is the adult entrance fee, adult and children's. And yes, the service fee is accommodating and it's friendly, guys. Yes.
Ngayon guys, kaya mag-order may food. Yeah, mag-order food.
Yes.
Sakay may og, tambot.
Yes, niya na po sila zipline kung ganahan mong kuan sa zipline.
Pero mas nice mong food kung dili.
Horseback riding ang ganing motorized. Baga. Mag-order mo pagka-answer niya, ganahan mo nga to sa inyo. Pwede rin ganin mo, avail mo ani, 800, o niya. Naman siya tibos na.
Order na may og food. For our lunch.
Hi guys. So, our food for today's video. See, they attack daw.
Ito na sa pinakalayo daw.
Seawalk. Seawalk. Seawalk ga siya guys, seawalk. So mag-walk ka dira sa sea. Mo nang yung pangag seawalk. Guys, so natangari karon sa asan be? Higatangan Island. Joke lang. Oh naman talaga. We are now in the boat. Mutabok mi dira ang isla.
Tura na kanang sa to.
Yes, true.
Pabalik ko no. Magkatanga
Sa dili pa lang daan de guys, sa what's
picture no, 60 minutes. Pwede ka mag-abang og mga
lami sa white sand. Ay. Wait up. Walang yaka. Oh! Pa! First step of the mine. White sand. Oh my goodness. Muwa na. Hey, bye-bye. Tulang Diot Island.
Babalik na po kami sa
We are enjoying for swimming that island because there's so many sea creatures. Wala.
Tay sa pagsiyang.
Yay! Sikat natin kaya matawag ko.
Gisan.
Samok! Wow! Two? We are here too?
Bodol again.
Wow!
What to? Suligo.
Yeah, to buy. Okay, so we are daring to. Breathtaking. Because this is so much. You know that? Because this place we're Yes, we are reviewing it, don't worry. Yes! Guys! We have it. Nag-isip mo na. Go. Ano mga bata eh? Mga tao eh. Pang yung mata eh. Shit guys. So breathtaking. Okay, so nami karon sa Timubo, no? Timubo sakto.
siguro.
Promise. Timubo cave kay mga ligo may diri kay mo man ang purpose diri.
Promise.
So kung nga rin mo kay dapat bawal ang asmahon kay as you can see guys, init kay guys. Uy, hangin guys. Go guys. We are from the top of the world, but you know, all the creation, but the only solution I can find. So, gawas na may gikan sa cave. Karas pa lang to ha, pero init na. Message kong ginhawa guys. Karas sa kainay.
Feel na ko to. Guys, feel na ko. Something is bothering me.
Oh, yes. Our dinner guys.
Basi ko na makawait ang ito po. Gili kayo nagtuman sila, maghinga pa datang ticket.
Sige lang dyan, cycle
Sige, beto sakyan.
Hi, Ted. Ito, don't worry.
Pero alas city.
Hi guys, so namin karon sa... ha? Okay, so nga to guys. Time check, 11:40. 11 pa gani. So guys, I am a bedroom. Today's video. Yes. So as you can see, na bintana. Na ay portahan. Malak na siya. And one foam and na blankets, two ka blankets, then complete nga ano, you know, habol ba? Yes, this is our last day. And this lamp. And this is the, yes, matog na may. Bye.
Ang ito ba dito? Pero napo.
Yes, she is eating banana because we are going home na. Sorry. Okay, bring me.
To the place where you and I were supposed to meet. City on the echo on, my thoughts are spinning on and on my head. It seems they lead me back.
So guys, na-miss sa Ormoc guys. So, nangarami sir na ano yung
mo guys, padayon gapon guys.
yes, okay. Gutom. What's your experience sa Camotes?
Ang waray lamig kayo. Aringasa.
Ikaw, what's your best experience sa Camotes? Wow. Which cave?
Darny cave.
Oh, you.
Darny cave.
Wow. You too. What are your best experience in the Camotes Islands?
Ito.
Yes, you.
The dog.
Why? Can you explain?
Because the dog is very crazy.
You, naka-white. What's your best experience? Guiding light. No, nahadlok sa iyo.
The dog.
You, what's your experience, best experience sa Camotes?
Kaya magsabot ba? Dili ko man magsabot.
Hello. Yes, kaya nag-inom daw ko, no?
Inom.
Mga dirangan naman na, bay? Ano man na?
Ang tabang ko nangihinang sa ako. Nagkuhan ay naman ako sige.
Inyo gitu slow diri.
Ako best experience kay.
Ano na best?